In the last video I defoliated and wired this. As you can see, it was grown out again by late summer. At some point in autumn I cut the wire off. I didn't seem to film that and I didn't touch the foliage at all. I normally hard prune my trees in late winter, usually in middle of February, which is exactly what I'm doing here. I could repot it now as ivy is really tough and can take a beating, but as there was a little cutting in the pot, I didn't want to disturb it. I'll just wait until spring and repot them both then. I'm thinking about standing this up a bit straighter. It seems to go off at a bit of an angle, and I think the more upright it will be, the better it will suit it. I also can't remember what the roots are like. Hopefully they're not a disaster, but we'll see in spring. So you can see how that does in the next update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.